Our planet is a canvas, and our actions are the brushstrokes. Let's paint a future of sustainability and harmony. Good afternoon, everyone. We are the Group 3, and today we will discuss about the relationship between people and the climate. The relationship between people and climate is a complex and intertwined one, with human actions significantly influencing the planet's climate system. This will investigate into impacts of climate change on human beings and provide a comprehensive discussions of the natural climate cycle. The complex relationship between human actions and the planet's climate system. It states that the document will investigate the impact of climate change on human beings and discuss the natural climate cycles. What is climate change? Climate change refers to long-term changes in temperature and weather patterns around the world. While these changes can occur naturally, human activities such as the burning of fossil fuels are accelerating this process significantly. So, climate change is a long-term shift in temperatures and weather patterns. While this shift happens naturally over vast time scales, like ice ages, human activities are climate change as a long-term shift in temperatures and weather patterns. While this shift happens naturally over vast time scales, like ice ages, human activities are dramatically spending in the process. For example, burning of fossil fuels, coal, oil, and natural gas. For energy release large amounts of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat, causing a warming effect and leading floods and stronger storms. This is different from natural climate fluctuations because the speed of change is unprecedented in human history. Causes of climate change. The main causes of climate change is the increase in greenhouse gases emissions, such as carbon dioxide or CO2 and methane CH4. The main sources including the burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and intensive agriculture. So the primary cause of climate change is the increase in greenhouse gas emissions, such as carbon dioxide, CO2, and methane CH4. The key sources including the burning fossil fuels, power plants using coal release massive amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, contributing significantly to global warming. Deforestation. Cutting down trees reduces the planet's ability to absorb the carbon dioxide. And intensive agriculture. Certain farming practices release methane, a potent greenhouse gases.
Good afternoon, everyone. Morning continuation sa report ni Darwin, Effects of Climate Change on Human Being. So, climate change driven by human activities is having profound effects on human societies and ecosystem. This impact are manifested and far-reaching, affecting various aspects of human life, including health, economic well-being, and social stability. So, akong i-discuss ang kung unsa ang effects sa climate change into human. First is health impact, health-related illness and mortality, rising temperature and more frequent heat waves increase the risk of heat stroke, dehydration, and cardiovascular and respiratory problems, particularly for vulnerable population like elderly children and those with pre-existing health conditions. So, heat-related illness, when we say muna is kanang dehydrate kanang tig-init kintahay, especially karon nga sige nag-init ulan, so atong kainit karon kay tungod sa climate change is grabe na makakuan gid siya og dehydrated, kanang makakos po siya stroke, especially na sa kanang mga tigulang na. So second is infectious disease, change in temperature and precipitation patterns can alter the distribution and prevalence of infectious disease spread by vectors such as mosquito and ticks. This can lead to outbreaks of disease like malaria, dengue, fever, and Lyme disease in new areas. So, labi na karon pod, no, ang kanang init ulan. So, kung ulan na pod, kanang makakuan siya o kanang mga lamok, kanang makakuan, kanang magdaghan ang mga sakit, no, kanang kung makapaak sa imo ang lamok is makakos na siya o kanang fever tungod sa kanang lain na kaayo ang kanang panahon kay na baylo na tungod sa climate change.
Air quality, climate change can worms air quality by increasing ground level zone, particular matter and weather smoke leading to respiratory illness, asthma, and cardiovascular problems.
According kay BG, air quality is kana ganing kanang sakit nga makuha nato sa hangin. So kanang person nang tungod anang sigitag sunog ato ang kana ganing climate change is kanang naglain na ang hangin na ana siya dala nga sakit imuhang kuan sa imuhang kaugalingon. So ang main kuan ana is ang asthma. So waterborne illness, extreme weather events like floods and droughts can contaminate water sources, increasing the risk of waterborne illness like cholera and typhoid fever. So diri pod nga kaning illness no kay makuha pod nato sa kanang tubig labi na ng ulan-ulan kanang nang magbaha. Kung magkuan ka ana is naana siya makuha nimo nga cholera nga nga sana mga sakit tungod sa kalain na nato nga kana lain na ato ang kanang sana klima karon sa kuan dain sa una.
So next is economic impact. First, agriculture. Climate change impacts agricultural productivity, leading to crop failures, reduced yields, and increased food prices. So increased food prices tungod kay diba tungod sa climate change, dira mo kanang crop failures or kanang reduced yields. So kailangan pa mo bawi sa kanang mga farmers ang kanang mga nadaot nga mga crops. So mao tong increased food prices. This can exacerbate food insecurity and malnutrition, particularly in developing countries. So next is infrastructure. Extreme weather events like hurricanes, floods, and wildfires can damage infrastructure, including roads, bridges, power grids, and buildings, leading to disruptions in transportation, communication, and essential service. So isa din po sa kanang maapektuhan sa climate change no ay kanang sa ato mga climate change like kanang hurricanes, floods, or kanang wildfires kay makadamage po na sa ato mga roads or kanang mga buildings no nga makaapekto ra pod sa ato.
So tourism, changes in weather pattern and extreme events can negatively impact tourism industries, leading to economic losses and job displacement. So when we say tourism is kanang mag-travel bitaw ta, mag-travel ta or natay plano nga maglaag, then mag-change ang weather. So atong plano nga maglaag kay muna nag-change mo ng weather, so di madayon kay nag-ulan or makapekto po dyan sa mga nagtrabaho, di sila makaadto silang trabahoan.
So next is social impacts, migration and displacement. Climate change is a major driver of migration and displacement as people flee areas affected by sea level rise, extreme weather events, and resource scarcity. So ang climate change is a major driver of migration and displacement. Basta ng mga tao nga nihawa ng lugar tungod kay apektado sila sa pagtaas sa level sa dagat kunya kining permente sila makasinati og dili maayo nga panahon kunya last kay kanang naikakulangon sila mga panginahanglanon This can lead to social and political instability in both the source and destination region. Example ana kay gamay na lang gani ang tourist or visitor anang lugara kundi daghang tawo nga moreklamo tungod sa nasinati nila nga problema.
The natural climate cycle. The Earth climate has always fluctuated naturally over various time scales. When we say fluctuated, it is rise and fall or changes naturally over various time scales, driven by a complex interplay of factors. So understanding these natural cycles is crucial for distinguishing them from human-induced climate change. So when we say crucial, no, importante gud kayo siya to distinguish from sa human to the climate change.
Solar variability. The sun's energy output varies slightly over time, influencing Earth's climate. These variations, known as solar cycles, can last for several years to decades. Ang solar variability nag-depend siya sa pag-change sa atong energy nga ginagawa sa atong sun. Ginatawag siya og solar cycle. Ang solar cycle is giepekto sab sa atong climate kay if ang sun is nagaproduce og taas nga energy, ang earth is grabe kainit. If mag-ubos pod ang energy sa sun, bugnaw pod ang atong earth.
And the last one is volcanic eruption. Volcanic eruption is a major volcanic eruption can release large amount of aerosol and greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, temporarily affecting global temperature. These effects can last for several years. So ang aerosols o ang greenhouse is maka-affect siya sa temporary sa ato ang global temperatures. So maingon ta og aerosols, ang aerosols ana is example niya is ang sea spray, dust, smoke ug ang volcanic ash kanang ihang mga kuan aso. Mo na siya no ang example sa aerosols. Pag maingon po tag greenhouse gases, so ang main gid niya nga kuan ana nga example is ang carbon dioxide kay mao man na ang pinaka challenging sa greenhouse kay gakuan man siya og about to 65%